Is your 2014-2019 Toyota Highlander key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple and cost-effective solution, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. This video will guide you through the process step by step. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob, and a CR2032 3-volt lithium battery, readily available at most stores or online for just a few dollars. Be careful not to scratch the plastic casing during disassembly. According to recent surveys, over 80% of users can successfully complete this replacement themselves with just these basic tools. First, locate the small notch on the edge of your key fob. Gently pry the two halves apart, applying even pressure. Inside, you'll find the CR2032 battery held in place by a small clip. Use your fingernail or tweezers to carefully remove the old battery, noting its orientation, positive side up. Insert the new battery in the same way, ensuring it's securely connected. Snap the fob back together and test it near your vehicle. If it doesn't work immediately, consult your owner's manual for reprogramming instructions. Always avoid touching the battery terminals to prevent short circuits and dispose of old batteries at a recycling center. DIY replacements can save you $45 to $95, but use plastic tools to avoid damage. Don't force anything open.